If I try not somewhere edit you for no, something simple. TNE. As some professors must say, there are moments of frustrations and disappointments in life, and that's the reality. So build good relationships to support you in this moment. Very simple. Very simple. If we are saying now buy no, or black to na wutu no. Bibia nkoto ten e ma oda enkusi ase. Emre bi beba otimi se eniema enko yi. E bedroom baabi won se wabamu abu. E bedroom baabi na wapa ba. E bedroom baabi na eniema aye bisi basa obra no ase oba emo. Na saa na brabo ne te wei e ka brabo no ho. Ne santi ene sese woni enipa nkita hodie etimi eye de eye papa omo a woniom ebehwe abom. You need to be very careful in choosing the people a woniom be relate nkofo a woniom be build a relationship. Obi ewo relationships p but wabra wakwa hohiahiam, wabra wakwa ahokyerem, wabra ohia futuo, wabra ohia kwankyere bi no obetimi ahwe all the people are on your relate mu. Onya even a single person to tell you say fabenkum ana fanifa ana de wuye de abroso etijai de wuye de eya jinsem titwen kakra. Onya bi da, because the sort of relationship now or work with people no and yet they a good one. Etienne is a wood. You know yourself and you know the people you roll with. Maka sembi wahada se me ti hey. Anya hwe kra se me obi a me anti-so kra na, because of the nature of the job am yentino. I am exposed to a lot of people. Etike kana fofo de anka me obi pa. Me kasa me kind groups even on WhatsApp alone that I belong to. Ebejo nsem ego over you. And now for them come will be pa. But I said something here some time ago. Say me wo adamfobia how I relate to him or her. I don't relate to all my friends equally. No. Obeka say me discriminate. No, this is not about discrimination. Because minim obia ni su ene ne ban ene de atinimu. Me ma ho kwan a ebetimi anya influence on my life. So I am always careful how to relate to each of my friends, the people I call my friends. Me can say be was some time ago say me say mada na madam be for phone frame me. Say oh Jerry Branasika binti brabeji a metimi aka twen so okay o de nyame Adom ochna. Or say me magiska but I can tell the person on phone say oh de Charlie madam ti nyame Adom ochna. Same way madam fu betimi afre me at the time that I am sleeping. I only pakun mo be demand this ka me ho say ebia Jerry one bring me say ya say, but I can wake up at that time and drive to wherever that person might be to save the situation. So I said the two net no, because I know every single person and how I relate to them. Obrano, you can't do it all. Eye wa obo wa na be bo obrano e de na emomu no esa se eniemam eye den na bibia ntimi kopepepe nkosi asienti no. That is why you need to build good relationships. Don't just go for friends. Say well, and now for some say na be den. So be and madam for oh I know him. Oh he's my friend. Oh I know him. Who do Obia is your friend. But ask yourself, Tnasidin one day. Just take a stock of your life. So of all the people that I relate to that I call my friends, relationships with me sound crofo now one. Then benefit na minye fimu. Emu dia wen na otimpo say ye de me kwa. Obetimi agina ama me. Emu dia wen de betimi support me in times of difficulties. Emu dia wen and when I'm frustrated and I don't know where to turn to, they will be willing to come and stand by me and give me the best of advice. So when you be there, then it means that you are not building good relationships. So you need to start thinking about it from this moment and build good relationships. Medwesi men kan men yetenten. Kakre ya makin men pai bon se nyame ebeshira so. Na obema yi na ye ni ada ho. Na you choose your friends wisely. You build good relationships a bit me aboyen. Edi agina pre papa. Once again, there are moments of frustrations and disappointments in life. And that's the reality. So build good relationships to support you in these moments. Medawase bebre. Don Master and Pobiman Paint Depot. A honey yeji adansi hu akande. E bana pono doors papa na honey general. Obe enjoy between 5 and 10% discount on quality security doors with Turkish, German and Italian technology. Or over 100 designs and colors to choose from. Say exterior steel security doors, internal steel security doors, bulletproof doors, armored doors, bathroom doors, wooden metal doors, wooden panel doors, glass doors, flash doors, door biano. Ebio, a bonus so there. Babia, or the tutorial the what him say the work from pa. Yet of the highest quality. Oba in painter from wa. Ye news painty a Euro standard no. Ya wa acrylic, emulsion, enamel, road marking paint, marine coatings, waterproofing, dampproofing, wallpaper, wall primers, putty, any paint accessories ni nyina bi ewo ho. And she ya nei ye ni news painter carbon dia ba ne say. Ye mo man for akonya so mbeji paint e dia ko paint wo mo adan ahodo no. No mo ato mbo ase atwetwe sika nkakra wa bra emfa interest bia ento so. Ne senti say yes schools, offices, churches, hospitals, government institutions, individuals, real estate developers ne mo amaka ni nyina no. Mo mra na mbeji paint bi. Ye fe no paint now, pay later. Echi no mo bi twetwe nkakra de amai. Hwehwe Don Master and Pobiman Paint Depot echi akwan. Ewo Pobiman to booth wa on the Accra Kumasi Highway. Se wugina Pobiman to booth wa when it ya shop no mu. Bra na yen servo kama pa. Phrase 0542 745 222 and our phrase 050 021 2447. MTN was say free after one de jinamu den dewa pa. Yenim se kasa de wani je ho so benya more airtime no akasa. San so na browsing ne ade internet wani je ho pa so begina so aye won ema. And they de ba ne say with MTN free after one, you get to talk for as long as you wish. You only pay for the first minute of your call and the rest is absolutely free. In addition, Obesa enjoy 50 MB of data to browse for free. Opesa odun just dial *315#. Now we're subscriber to MTN free after one. We'll stay connected because we're good together. Terms and conditions apply. MTN, everywhere you go. Finally, as they do a farmer time herbal center or my time herbal mixture for the treatment of malaria fever. When your malaria fever, what appetite now call timidity. Why boho? Honamuna a patron time herbal mixture. Na enkum malaria parasite ni na ento ni nyina mu no asanboa na watimi enya appetite no na wadidi yi honam ayo hododo ni na beko na mo pese speedier process ni ntempana dia K&G herbal capsules numbi eno for general well-being eboa ma ho sisi ho so ntempana King's Walk Herbal, Repatch Ventures, Ray Jones and Azidos Herbal ni nyina ewo Okanshi Drug Lane ebi ho Echoes Pharmacy with Dama Pharmacy, Larry, Byclass, Nina, Ewa Shaman, Ubenyabio, Tribe of Judah, Ewa Kaswa, Pharma Trust, Ewa Wager Junction, Ubenyabio, and yes, our phrase 0244 417 669. Now on the time, Herbal Center, Edinkitaho, na Eja, Yansu Yetimi, Ashe, Asumo, Kama, na Umpumu de Semono. Etimi ewie peyo It's Friday, ladies and gentlemen. Na enchibia se Scott ebetenase. Na ye around the world in 5 minutes abro and somehow do ni na no. Ebe bie ni na mu e de amount. Wa haya metre Adom 106.3 FM, Ghana's #1 radio station. So stay tuned. Na yempe bi kakra emfantwiam ansana se Scott atenase e de around the world in 5 minutes abre. His name is Joey B, and he featured King Promise on this one. It's a beautiful love song that I love so much. Sweetie Pie, they call it. Odo Doctor. Hey, Adom. Sure.
Your friend is saying,
let's go, yeah. Hey.
Matia Shudum, Mammy Jimmy, who are in the
Bedaji.
Who send peace with me, moment. Since for you never lost, because I mean a choice. A man do the only boss, like I never lie when it's sauce. You are my sweet honey. Why do you see you are my sweet honey. Why do you see cause I'm in today. Cause I'm in today. Cause I'm in today. Cause I'm in today. Bummy ding, sweetie pie. I hope that I come here. Bummy ding, sweetie pie. Baby, you are the one, love me. You are my one see da. Born in the serious, the one for one see da. Born in the serious, cause I'm in too near. 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 My wolf and pretty kumio. Girl, I wanna get you on my telephone. My can't come and go marry you. Throw mama no one for me daddy you. My wolf and pretty kumio. Girl, I wanna get you on my telephone. My can't come and go marry you. Throw mama no one for me daddy you. You are my body me see train body me see the one for body me see train body me see love the way you did dance. I am imagine why you got love fire. Let's hop in my Maserati. Baby, hop in my Maserati.
This is Adom FM, and this is Jerry Justice.
Girl, I wanna see you go down. Say me, I love the way you bend body. Hop in my Maserati. Baby, hop in my Maserati. And I just wanna see you ride. Somebody need somebody. My body, your body. I'm more to follow me. Somebody needs somebody. My body, somebody. Let me give you butterfly. Say I need it mesmerize me. I'm on the show to civilize. Everywhere you go, I go follow. When I up the music, make it go low. And I go give you steady on the slow. Baby, don't dull, make a ginger. Shawty, I know you like to party. I'm a touch of body. Show my body, shit. Yeah, baby, come on, God. Innocent, no party. I'm gonna make you happy. Up in my Maserati. Baby, up in my Maserati. I say up in my Maserati. Up in my Maserati. Girl, I wanna see you go down. Say me, I love the way you temper. Up in my Maserati.
mind me, it's Friday. You know what I'm saying? Good afternoon, Director. Hope you're doing well today. Okay. Danny Pipra. I'll sorry you. A shout's going out to you, my main man. Yes, Enoch Edu Kofi. Shout's going out to you, bro. I do believe say BBI cool. Nyamenka home. Odo yewe, inti odo yewe. Mommy won't dream you. Odo yewe, inti odo yewe. You drive me crazy. And happy birthday, Uncle Auntie Peggy. Auntie Peggy. Happy birthday in advance to you. Nyame aduma ochna and a year of birthday. Our tema come to one. Site 2 Assembly Church of Pentecost. Wishing you a happy birthday. Nyame unshop Auntie Peggy. Oyo Bruta, one fantastic woman. Scott at Nase. It's here around the world in 5 minutes, bro. But before that, me pacho unya maonsanka the new HD plus decoder nibia. Maonya ha. And ne year ikwajo de if nearest authorized dealer bia and chain and now any Electroland showroom bia nationwide. So about me and the Philly experience nibi on your HD TV like never before. I shall say quality no unya 5 times better than standard definition. It's TV no standard definition and no more amount second the new HD plus decoder now. Oh bibia both best son ubenya 5 times better and your friend the Philly experience. A patch of phrase 0242 439 872 Neje further details.
Me and you be patient. Up in me best, let's go. Nobody don't know. I get to pick it up for you.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, says Scott is in the building here. So at this point, it's around the world in 5 minutes with says Coach. Says Cots, bro, Jerry says Cots, bro, Jerry says Cots, bro, Jerry. Friday. You know, I'm going to go Aquaba. So you be actually,
yeah, can you balance now? So check
balance in there. Yeah, Nanya.
That is someone you be.
Oh, no, my difficult. And then Catherine Quay.
My God.
Happy Panaco to do.
Oh, okay.
And I'm say, river fishy be near the idea. You, Mrs. Azudi, as I say,
Uko live in it, and not me, phobia, which I
and the light soup. Come on.
Come up. Radari,
yay,
Matanase, Midi Addis.
Good.
Radari, is a common sense. It's a flower that does not grow on everyone's garden.
Common sense is a flower.
Yes.
That doesn't grow
on everyone's garden.
Okay. Now garden a bium.
And also a binimaka me ultimate mad.
They're going away.
You got a peace of mind. Peace of mind.
Yeah.
And they say, Uhia adokro as wundi obiaka. Aye. Wa wouldn't be Nancy won't send you obiaka. And then I have peace of mind. Rajari, and your bema be a ube shiano. And your bema be a ube shiano no bema broken heart. Catch a man. And your bema be a ube shiano. And automatically a trace of bema broken heart. If you mama broken heart, you bema stroke. Stroke stroke pan you bema.
So
Rather young concept so. And I know maybe a story be made say in the midst of COVID-19 you can't country yeah a ban say pandemic buy any nyama and you know akwa say ya shaka gradually me you ya shaka country COVID buy ye o share economy na tete apansam ba country na omo rise pa na China
yeah
na
I remember
yeah obeje di sisi ano first quarter of 2021 18.3% just quarter economy no rise pa China for credible margin it was this year no better than last year.
Wow.
Almost say in fact omani aje pa you know and baby story and be as you see China the fastest growing economy kosopa enya sam ketwa Roger you him TB Joshua
yeah
na YouTube for a suspended an account
YouTube for
yes
I think I saw it on Twitter or something
Ninyana say almost say or fighting against I think gay
BB on that supposedly was against gayism
Oma suspended na che say enya sam ketwa sisi at TB Joshua internet channel na YouTube no it has been suspended. Oben. But that are some women tiasi. What adding because well yes yes into mami fancy Roger Chicago what call that
Impatio Devi
Wampa
another interior
there be say Nidino Kawako order.
Okay,
Chicago.
All right.
Police for release a video be police officer be issued to 13-year-old boy was shooting no economy.
Wow.
And a video no on my release I just said one more share police in any answer ketwa. Brajeri ayare Hussein. Oshe baby ana boy ni jina. People were saying Abia it was self-defense. But you look critically to the video. Boy no nkuta hwe. No nkuta bibi a chere say Abia or the ba be police ni bibi.
Yeah.
It is see the question is ban send a police near SSA wo boni pa ho ban. Wo mo wo ye den. Wo ku nipa. Okwa Chicago asamwa esi.
Very common in the state.
Ayare Hosemu a say a man for say omodwene ho a wo montiase omotiase nso a Rajeri around the world and next Friday bojaye ke de besia Rajeri uni mebi mamen kan se minjire Ghana for
Can't afford you.
Brajeri, say sex on the first date. And you say you are cheap. Obi obeka say sex on the first date biana uye cheap no obwa. It is called relationship interview. Yes. Brajeri,
advice with the girls. Some job interview there.
it is called relationship interview. When you are called back, means you got it.
Some relationship interview there. Hey, that's the meaning.
Brajeri, man today.
A man muntie why?
Man today.
Motuamfo. Muntie.
Na Brajeri unim. Before oba obeka kire be ma say no ho nye fe no. Uni say onye makeup.
Before oba
Obeka
kire be ma say no ho nye fe no. Make sure say you are not wearing a makeup.
No, make sure fatu utrim say be ma no onye makeup to say wo oba.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Well, oba bi oba be hwe.
Say me money be makeup underground for share.
Brajeri, me last month.
Udo, you be am post on Instagram no radio. They say a man no so say the man timi ko share dey wo moto. A man no so akọ body tube bi a man six pack now chest e wo ho pa ne muscles ne ade monko Instagram na monko resa picture no at Jerry Justice on Instagram. That's JERRYJUSTIC. O de monko na monko hwe etu ya be man na otobia sabe o muscles ne ti say cry hwan say Scott ne African cry hwan na
Oh, me yes African.
me body ni mo ni African hwan na abo African one say Scott hwan na abo
my boss African. Na wo hwe body age na yi.
Oti your friends all body need to say African na wa akọ sa body tube ni bi no na wa hye e was six pack home pepepe o chest ne hyehyem o arms nso ejejam heavy say no etu du ko dada guess say na de
Brajeri, oba ne ne safa ho obeti.
Da hu no ma say the man no so mo koye yo mo nufu ni o mo to na mo suso mu amu feelings no be man so
Wa mo suso ba.
Nyamo
Na o
ni matwamu na enu ina ni bisa say so for how long can you pretend to be a six pack guy with heavy muscles near ade na say that kroga ne ba on channel she duare Oda monko Instagram na monko ade no it's on my page say ade ne tie pa we as cry dey kon ever credit
omo de aba
anyway
Brajeri,
yeah
ma men kan asem nchira ma na so lenko and next Friday
uni omu we still
Brajeri asem we am beke Brajeri won say wo asem we mani kura bre wo relationship mu na say wo boy ofa phone no yes snap na sa flowers na be da man na no ye bia huni say on mobile
oh girl
a girl now a boy now boy no snap and my
no na flower bia be da na stars bia na obema na ye bia
won pena ye bi no ye bema jai relationship no onye serious
that boy no ye serious but see come to think of it snap cry I am agree one as you tell it I see it as waste of time now.
What are you fan say man did you? So what about so boy anyone na yes snap na Johnny free relationship no. This message has been vetted and approved by Brajeri Justice.
Yanko gaje you are.
Brajeri. Oko atima da you fake probi keje. Let us wo kan.
No JB.
Instagram.
What's it?
Instagram.
Okay.
ASS Scott official.
All right.
Follow me.
Okay.
And they are me penipa 2000 so much.
Hey. I think. Okay.
It's Brajeri, that is that.
It is.
French in the back show says Jevel
Capel.
Let us out to said thing.
Yeah, bet you. So that was Around the World in 5 minutes with Sir Scott. ANSMP. Yeah. Easy. Happy birthday, Nkoma Bengazi. U-turn bus driver, Ewo Nkoko from Nkoko U-turn drivers. We show happy birthday. And we also say kindly wish my sister Irene Akpene Tenu Dambai a happy birthday. Walanyo Inakwitia sent in this one. You're free and also no. the Edrus one also Effie Mrs. Tanchen. I'll say please a shout out to Dr. Sylvia Lodis Mensah and the family our Holy Family Hospital in Koko. Yeah, so special greetings and come out Dr. Sylvia Lodis Mensah. Dr. Sylvia Lodis Mensah. Our Holy Family Hospital. Special greetings to you and your family from Mrs. Harriet Brown. Abe was call your bed. Yeah, that was so nice. Yeah, hear me feel. Do you hear me do? Yeah. Don't hear me do. Joe, kindly wish my friend Akosua Yaboa of Tema Community 8 a happy birthday for me. May God always provide her the most precious things in life: health, love, joy, and prosperity. We, if he, Felix Beon Chain, all the way in Qatar, Doha, and Upia, we at the bay. Your trust going more say greetings Jerry, please wish our sister Obaya of Kaswa a happy birthday today, and then a belated one to Theodora Akpene Kumoji of St. James, and then in advance to Mr. Samuel Kwabena Hagen, ICGC Christ Temple. May God bless all of them. From Nana, Cynthia, and the rest of the family. Ferchi, Fayo, Abe Waso. Hello, Jerry. Tomorrow will be the birthday of my son, Henry Okiti Bannerman, in North Carolina, in the United States of America. Also, a happy birthday to Hajara Hassan of Ladies' Choice Saloon in Akwetiman in Accra, Ghana. Wishing both happy birthday in advance. Sam Bannerman in the United States of America. I think she has some come bushon for more Akwetiman na. Happy birthday also going out to Barbara Safwa Danso Penyin and Afe Danso Kakra Moye Jankama Equiapem We Efi Nana Yirenchi the first Mampong Equiapem Apes Makahine Siwawa I see today is the birthday of my son, Alex Kwajedu Harden. I hope I got a second name right. AKA Push or AKNUST. May the good Lord bestow his benedictional pneumatology upon you. Brofuna make an so who say if he osophagus in chain, Brofa Kesa. My main trust and resume to me as I can be more. May the superb, sumptuous, sensational, sublime, next one there be. My main try and name call stupendous, serene, and surrendering. Be your Lord. May the Lord pour you diluvian torrent of unabating conviviality. Oh, simply put, happy birthday to you, Alex Harden, aka Push of KNUST, from your father. Atinsin papa ni papa few, aka Osophagus. Bonnie Ben na my here. We are getting see. Okay, yɛmfa we ntwim no afei ɛnwom no ɛntoa so na yɛnkɔ yɛ anim. I say good evening, Jerry. Please wish. Good evening, Jerry. Please wish my only sister, Cecilia Dakwa, aka Sidak, of Obuase Brahabebome, Locust, a happy birthday from me. We, if he aye Ochame and Chain, Ochame Amwaku Dakwa, Nenchain, or the man sister. Do you hear me do? Do you hear me do? And you're not fetchy. Fapim, Fabe also. Call your bed down. Yeah. That was soon. Fetchy. Fapim. Call your bed down. Or say, let enthusiasm reach your smile, happiness reach your eyes, and resilience reach the temple of your face every time you look at someone. May you pass on your radiance to everyone around you. Wishing you a very happy birthday. Janet, Apia, Jackie, from Nana and Kwantabisa. Oma vibes. Special shout and come out for more total service station at what time? Community 2 Agri Road. Former Adom FM Chehona. Michechi Amunina, and come to 2 phone na. Charles Ne, Gideon Monet, Paul Monet, just Amunina, and all the sweet ladies now more shop Numunina. Most are more Bashok Hormone idea. Michechi Amunina area. I believe Samunina Moye. Do you hear me do? Yeah. Do you hear me do? Any fetchy. Fine. It's Friday, y'all.
This is Adom FM, and this is Jerry Justice.
Zagadat. It's your voice. Yeah. Oh, my baby.
Ofie Kwanso with the man, Jerry. Adom 106.3
and more. I love you, touch you like I touch you. I think about you every night. You over me, girl, I no go lie. Cause you kiss you like I kiss you. I she miss out. Ni so, oh, the say one by, let you me. Be who was I, one in one, I'm you. Oh, the say one by, let you me. Oh, baby, I'm jealous. You can make so jealous. I know they feel control it. Yeah. Baby, I'm jealous. You can make so jealous. Girl, I make so jealous.
Ofie Kwanso with the man, Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM.
But you feeling like a queen. Oh, baby, lately I just see you make happy without me.
Wosi wakoye mimpo na miwe. Nyankopon nshira no gebi mu fredo kumkro. Wope mo jado do anya di suofra. Wa dream boni nti wona mo mantia. Wode me na maboso mo ni moti ya no me no wena ne mawoso. Na wo nantia back to the sender.
Abaya boy, say a good, say a bad. My brother,
This is Adom FM, and this is Jerry Justice.
You know be wrong, I go do you every fool. I know get shell what the ever do. In Yambo one guy for free. O make a shako do the superu. E ba do mo chano o ga tankenu. Doga man mra, kaya oti, any pebo, kembago. Minibi. O mo ko mi say nkura minibi. Sum, trabo ti masa minibi. Minim sa medika, nana do dika. O hama hi anyomo, ono so dika. No wa make a do. Fubanku. Mboga minibi,
with the me and Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM.
Carve with your fake life. Girl, them love up us for me TikTok. I slam give it to me say can we not be see nobody jante? Okay, man, I know they want sing that. So go boy with an uptown flex. Minibi. Woman mumpu me say nkura minibi. Sum, trago ti masa minibi. Minim sa medika, nana do dika. Mahama hi anyomo, ono so dika. No wa mega tuobu, fubanku. Ediwa hu, nkulenu. Mboga minibi. Woman mumpu me say nkura minibi. Minibi. Ya gata no.
What I shot. What I snake, what I fight. What I like stay on melody. Baby step in a circle and dance to the beat. What I enjoy. Maria, take it for your heart, Juliana, take it for your heart, Maria.
Yeah, and I for move like a this. Body so bad, make us speak Japanese. Konnichiwa, wa ginger the flow. Nana, Baba never seen that before. But like, child, you for slow down now. Where you program that? How you move your hand around like a pole dancer? The most sought after. She can't cut my eye. But I refuse to talk. She mami what I find. See, Kele no be issue. I get beauty queens down in Mogadishu. So talk better make her feel you. Or make her get to step in if I need to. I get busy. Wait now, I'm just playing. Small play, you want to turn to rough. Bad guy, Kwame Eugene. This way do when you hear you stop. Oh yeah.
My African lady. My African lady. About body party the tum tum. And you dancing with every mess I used to this way. My busy ninja boom boom. You rolling with a rock star, no be kum 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 kum. Check it for your man, oh, Juliana. Break it for your hand, oh, Maria. Check it for your hand, oh, Juliana. Break it for your hand, oh, Maria. It's Mr. Dynamite. Make she know leave me alone. Make she know leave me alone. Make she know leave me alone. Baby, wait, oh, everything be time, Baba got the work, oh,
This is Adom FM, and this is Jerry Justice.
Intimidate buyer, don't be stressed, oh baby. Everything goes all smile, lady. Not only you know my life go be better. Don't you leave me here today and come back later. Oh yeah, not only all the way the eventually. Don't you leave me here to stay and call me later. See, boy, you love me, yeah, love me, yeah. Oh, you love me, yeah, don't call me later. But you love me, yeah, but if you leave
Adom FM, all the hits and more.
Another well, girl, if you want to go, tell me make I know, but don't you come back home. Well, I thought you said you know they want my dough. Oh my baby, mo, why you do me so? Well, come see, when I turn big man for the country, make you know they try call me honey. I'm not gonna give you one city, baby, but if you go there, I go there. No be today, where I they pray to make you my baby. Oh, I don't be my baby. See you no feeling me. She go till love me, love me, love me, love me, don't call me later. You no feel come later. Till love me, love me, but if you leave me alone, love me, don't call me later.
Now say what come in the door, what pay me, me pay what to, what show me, what do me, cause I check what do.
Ofie Kwanso, Ofie Kwanso, with me and Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM.
Baby, say what for me, chimpa. You don't want to me, they better my boy. It is a motion of my phone. Facha me na minye bio. Na minye bio, musuba nyenso me pe wo sara. Me do wuti me de becha wa ma wa bo. Yes, musuba nyenso me pe wo sara. Me do wuti me de becha wa ma wa bo, ma wa bo.
And I love you, I want you, I need you. There's no one above you, only one I love. And no matter the place or the time, forever my baby. There's only one above.
Baby, so what for me, chimpa? We don't want to be the becha wa ma wa bo. It is a motion of my phone. Facha me na minye bio.
With me and Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM.
I'm not gonna lie, you got me thinking about you. Tell me what you did to me. See as you find, I can't stop talking about you. Yeah, tell me what you've done to me. I have fallen in love with you. Can't get enough of your amazing touch. You are my miracle. I'd like to be the one to be coming back home to be with your wife and you. Over and over, you alone, you alone. I'm out for you alone, for you alone. Loyal to you alone, you alone. I'm out for you alone, for you alone. Save my love for you alone. I go like one for you alone. Baby, don't call me alone. Every day is for you alone. Save my love for you alone. I go like one for you alone. Baby, don't call me alone. Every day is for you alone. Every day is your matter. Sun up till sundown. Baby, thunder go fire. Anyone with the thunder. Every day is your matter. Yeah. Sun up till sundown. Baby, thunder go fire. Anyone with the thunder. Baby, my heart is for you. For you. I promise to love you always. Nothing compares to your love, to your love. Minewa, baby, only you. I'm not gonna lie, you got me thinking about you. Tell me what you did to me, See as you find, I can't stop talking about
Ofie
you.
Kwanso.
Tell me
Ofie
what you've done to me.
Kwanso. With me and Jerry Justice on
I have fallen in love.
Adom 106.3 FM.
Can't get enough of your amazing touch. You are my miracle. I'd like to be the one to be coming back home to
Adom FM, all the hits and more.
You alone, you alone. I'm out for you alone, for you alone. Loyal to you alone, you alone. I'm out for you alone, for you alone. Save my love for you alone. I go like one for you alone. Baby, don't call me alone. Everything is for you alone. Save my love for you alone. I go like one for you alone.
Highly spiritual.
It's not
This is Adom FM.
I swear to
and
God,
this
it
is
got me
Jerry
bad.
Justice.
If I get a new rush, back to me, but I'm a really fine. She goes to say my soldier lafiya. I swear to God, it got me rush. If I get a new rush, back to me, but I'm a really fine. She goes to say my soldier lafiya. Baby, 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 let me know. Tell me who are you? I said, let me know. See the way you just got the place, all the guys they hide you. And you're about to be the reason why all the boys they hide you. My baby, oh baby, won't see me that and do. Won't you in a baby, my lady, won't see me that and do. Won't you in a Yento basako munchena meda. Au miri mami who ya dem crap on chena meda. And you're something they be me. We are watching they be me. Au my sherry baby me. This your boy I will go that's my baby. This your body bumper baby. Charlie body bumper baby. I say show boy hey. This your boy I be body. The draw more attention. This is your boy. I give you the keys to my car and the keys to my mansion. My baby, oh baby, won't see me that and do. Wait till the
Cafe mano, cafe mano, cafe mano, cafe mano. Some of y'all want to be a tree maso. If I shake your body, relax your body, chop my money, come to daddy. Go see the swag, say quoi, pas me pour me. I will say it, Samana grabba, so me call ya, son of a band in the mumma mia, grabba, Zaza, it's your chairman sexy, it's your girlfriend pretty.
Say ya, not the action, not the son. Yeah, some big granny. Jerry, greetings to you. Please, Chairman. Yesterday was my son's birthday. Kindly wish him a happy birthday, though belated for me. His name is Harrison. The whole Ampabing. Yeah. From Francis A. Ampabing.
I want baby to step in the circle and dance with me.
Jerry, greetings. So please, can you wish my dear wife a happy birthday for me? Yes, I can do that for you. Her name is Obapa Akuya Pokuya of Birmingham in the UK. Nice one. Samuel Wesley sent in that one. Wait, Oseye Medical Kwame Eugene on this one. Hello, Jerry. My name is Daniel, but you can call me Fresh One from my breed. May the Almighty God bless you richly and your household as well. I really like you, Pa. And I always enjoy your program, and I also learn a lot from your program. I want to be your friend, please. Tete Daniel.
I go love you forever.
Daniel, you're already my friend, right? You know what I'm saying? We all we got. Yes.
Relax your body. My money. Come to daddy. Go see the swag. Say quoi. Pas me pour me.
I will say it.
Enti, I know, say Saufa Beach Road no so on. From Committee 3, the Kwa di Bepie Nungwa barrier. There's construction going on, especially from Nungwa barrier de ba no. Ba omo start omo ye kakra na ya divert kwana for baby ni baby ni ade. But from Community 3, Watra railway, crossing or cross here, ba de besia bedu, sa baby a beach if we worry. Masa, enti kwaya timpani for moons will be betting you ho. Hey, there's a groomer the idea who hear the own young penny for grow. She say, Obi your one or fast quine, especially an adjoa. A dangerous. And then in 3 days. Obi ka shibuna said they can't pay and one. Said they can't pay no. A chita and papa. Just say it is dangerous. And because omo a typhoon the omo nimutino, omo be approach baby and then they slow down. And the sort of traffic it is creating on that road, all because of the nature of the road. And Timothy, if it is under construction krana e ho no mo be hwehwe anwea bi kakra mfa ngu saa de na e dangerous mu keke na e den. How much will it cost us Ghana to just fill those potholes ne keke? Hey, Ghana, I give up. Serious, grow emu. Just wo dream and your man kitting be a yetimi me gin samusa aya na me dwen kra me ntiase. Ye betra wa ma de na ye kakra ye hu sa de ne se yo ye nhwe nso ano ye betra ho san just say aseye wie. Hey my boy, aje de hunhia ene ye di a kire se atwintwan. Yeah, I'm not tin. Come on, to ground no man did matter. I go love you forever. In Shaba Kwesi Rex, I say hello, Mr. Jerry. Please wish my lovely mom a glorious birthday for me. She is Mrs. Mary Hussey. Okay. MTN free after one. No suji namu den. Kasasa na kadi oni onya there. Chia for only the first minute of your call. The rest are absolutely free. And you get 50 MB of data and also free with the bed browsers. A patch dial *315#. Next subscribe to MTN free after one. Stay connected because we're good together. Terms and conditions apply. MTN everywhere you go. Joe Ebia na unya cash kakra. Se sikasem and why den papa oh cream. You know what I'm saying? Sikasem why den pa but advanced Ghana savings and loans. Say ubetimi anya hotoso e wo yen so. Yabe ma loan heavy pa. Na wo de atrew hiem. You know what I'm saying? It's your girlfriend pretty. And to the Brian Checkeke. They are affiliated to Advanced Group in Paris with over 1 million clients. Now you were 9 different countries or so. We've got you covered. That's all. Yeah, I agree. Say your personal business no etimi survive it. What you say? And UTMR competitive interest rate on our loans. Good collateral policy. Now being a loan without any prior savings. Just when you need it. Your mobile banking services are a friend of Mobi Bank. And also Emma Wakwenya. MNA. Baby will be with absolute comfort. Ubetimi make payment and other transactions directly from your Momo account anywhere you are at no cost. Ubetimi visit any of our 20 branches across the country and our website www.advancedghana.com for further information. Equally, you can speak to our call center agent on our toll-free line 0800 355 355. Advanced Ghana, growing together.
It's your chairman sexy.
If I told Tirena Eshano Sumame, say, and such a crab, and as a check a crab, and in you. They say, and such a crab, and such a abano, and when you very simple. Say, unim a club orange, club muscatella, club tonic, and in soda. Say, yes, your favorite carbonated soft drink, club minerals. Say when you're deep from with the same refreshing taste and flavors Club Minerals is now Club Spaletta. Club Spaletta. Club Spaletta. Yes. So switch up your groove with a bottle of Club Spaletta. Still in your favorite orange, muscatella, tonic, and soda flavors. Club Minerals, now Club Spaletta, has a new look, a new feel, but the same great taste. Moi de bruta. So go ahead when you want to refresh yourself during those delightful moments and grab a bottle of Club Spaletta in 4 different flavors. Club Spaletta, still your favorite Club Mineral flavors. Obianini movement. Brasamini. It reminds me of Ninyobi Mama Resimemu Zanyom now. Charlie, that song. And I'm not basing it to make title. Let me try and see the meeting here. Let me try and see so I can guess I know now. If it's some heavier, you've Jam Master J way you do that song. You be like, yes, this is the song. Let's jam to this. It's on Friday, baby.
Some meaning music. One and only ghetto KB. Yeah. John Mr. J, baby. Selassie, girl, you sugar my thing. Watching you dance, you the trigger my thing. You make me fantasize about you in the 90s. You sexy like salt and pepper from the 90s. Oh, God Almighty, forgive me my sins. I'm just appreciating what my eyes can see. I wanna slam down your rib like Michael Jordan. Get the message right. I wanna cross your river Jordan. The way you move around and do it more than all the girls I've seen around the place. Oh girl, what you do it bold with the new old turn around. Oh my, I like the way you go down. Cause the sound when the rest up in the sound. So baby girl, make it maintain down. The way you feel, I say you breaking me, baby girl, make it maintain down. Shorty, take it easy on me. 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 Shaking it, breaking it. Shorty's on it, quick in it. I'm touching it, she's loving it. She takes it to the top of it. Crazy, sexy, cool. How you doing? What you do is hot. Girls in the club, but I got my eyes on you. Shorty, we can have another party just for two. Just me and you doing best what we do. So shorty, wind up, wind it, know we grind. 1 time, 2 time, make it bump and grind. Wind it, know we grind. Some eating get a KB, make the party bump and grind. Please don't stop. The way you do boogie, you do the right thing. Sexy girl, please don't sit. The way you do boogie, you the trigger my thing. Girl, you know you're shaking me. You feel like say you're breaking me. So baby girl, make you maintain down. The way you shake, you feel like say you're breaking me. Baby girl, make you maintain down. Girl, you think big girl, come dance around for the king, big girl. It's the sound of the season, girl. Practice what some in the preaching, girl. Active tactics, that is what we practice at these parties. Rapid action, popping up and pumping everybody. Jumping up and clapping us with stuff at this party. And all I see is shorties pumping bumper like it's nothing. We're running murder, run a man of bills. Got a man of bills. Some eating me and you. Unstoppable, so comfortable, taking the lead.
Asa Kanye Bakubi on this same rhythm, but this time round with our boy Stone Boy on this one, I'm saying, sa rhythm na kasano. I mean, See, what's his name? JMG, right? Jam Master J. Put together that one. Now, in fact, we share a Juma or more a year. What me say amount for a year Juma. But Nina Muno, you cream with it. Ubia ni ubia ni asem di sometimes o kana wan kai we can say now person just see if we dey just omo dey and I said yeah but I know we so we won't talk I won't talk say menace job before pa serious okay so yama stone boy and some bone room with his version and he calls this one Hills and Valley
Man, them impress the vibe. Remember me tell you.
Over the hills and valley, from mountain top to the gully, I sing this a song for you only. I love you, baby. Never gonna get you on my mind. Forever till the end of time. It's you alone that makes my word more than diamond, the gold and the only legacy I cannot say. This is a story I feel tell. So that you're 1 out a million in the worldwide globe. The only Santa tribe that's killing me up. Without you around, I cannot cope with the weather and the pressure. Oh no. Nothing could ever tear us apart. Nothing could ever make me break your heart. My Ghanaian girl, so sweet and spongy, yeah. Killing every burning heart, burning heart, burning heart, burning heart. That one, from mountain top to the gully, I sing this a song for you only. I love you, baby. Never gonna get you on my mind. Forever till the end of time. She give me some TLC when no taste like chicken. She not gonna try to lie to me, talk less cheating. No faking, no cake, no mimicking. For you alone, I sing. Stand alone there. No. No, yeah, got to go. I listen to woman and no dinner and my go. Hey, I like the pretty smile and that lovely face. It gives me assurance of better days. You belong to me alone, I do nothing else. With another man condemn them out my space. Watch ya, she not dirty. She no fluffy. The African girl down troll of the city. And the girl here, one so clean and nitty.
Shouts going out to you, Rebecca or Dansuman. It is saying, enjoy your weekend. Yeah?
Forever till the end of time. From mountain top to the gully, I sing this a song for you only. I love you, baby. Never gonna get you on my mind. Forever till the end of time. She's so courteous. She not going to another man, girl. I don't know. Me this year. Or some boy sing a Japani. Long. I listen to woman and I did it. Long. I listen to woman.
A happy birthday in advance going out to my mom, Nana Efia Safoa II, Kwansra Hima of Enum Asamankase Kotoko. I'm Penifie. Hope I got it right. AKA Sister Ata Efia of Enuma Samankase Presbyterian Church. Tomorrow is her birthday. We wish her all the best, long life with good health as well. Wishes from Osei Ej, aka Sammy Lou, Theresa J, in-law, and then Unyamia Sida Efia Buedua Ej, your granddaughter, and the rest of the family. Nana Kwansra Hima, Afishapa, Nana Onkwaso, Sammy Lou, front page Ghana, sent in that one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hey, Sandy, I said, I see you. I said, Masa waka. We're not downgrading anyone's hard work. You're only appreciating someone who's done a great job in creating this beat. People should learn to think competitively, period. That's all, baby. You know how they feel with you. All right, quick one here on Facebook. I say, Mame Ajwa Afa. I say, hey, Jerry. So you rock like that. Enjoy yourself, Charlie. Now, pa. And then Abigail Nyaku say, hey, Brad Jerry. Love this song, pal. Hey, you are too much. Okay. And then Richard Sian also said, good evening, Jerry. Tomorrow is my mom's birthday. Her name is Betty Lawet Rush. I hope say DNSR. So wish her a happy birthday for me. I just did. Yeah. Okay. Nana. Mionubi wa haon. Say me tia no free omran san yanya na say yanya yi ne commercial even me tim free omran sia o Nana Romeo and that Friday ti aba nyama kra say ko tell say ba sia
Wajire wo ho agba adwuma nya sika ne senti na MTN dane da nyina ye nam kwa hodo papa bebre so ebo sika ho ban bebia beko bia duane benya ho ban bo papa ne ahoto so emra wo de MTN mu edi adwuma nyina eda wo beko MTN mu agent ho bia no fa we mu bia national ID voters ID NHIS card passport driver's license and SNIT ID eda wo ho edi bomodia na bo ebo sika sem dwumadi ho ban yi bebia beko bia free say we are good together kai say free efiada e propose mo de tosu mienu 2021 year na ye chance Saudi national ID cards mu bia ye adwuma be ka wo afọ momo agent ho e di adwuma bia everywhere you go.
Wo mami ni apanu a ofumeduane no Unya bema no ade bia ogina phone so no.
Hello, I'm Rosisia.
Wo fase no ochiri bibia.
Da bio mempe, we de mitu.
Watamfo no a, wo ni no adwuma mu a, de bia ono no mu Coca-Cola twato. Yeni na yeni mobisa, nenso omuni ho a na edua ne di asesa. En Kenya bra ye kabom e di Coca-Cola eji yeni. FDAG edwadin krato yato.
Charlie, with Betboro Ghana, everything not double O. Betboro Ghana is giving all our new customers we sign up 100% cashback in free bets up to 400 CDs. This means whether you spend 1 CD or 100 CDs in bets, we give you that same amount back to make more bets and increase your chances of winning big. So visit our website, betboro.com.gh. Sign up and enjoy this amazing offer today. Betboro Ghana, be a player, not a viewer. Please gamble responsibly for over 18s and above only.
When we send your police in your draw, Imbusaba Mesa Abama Huadeng.
Refuse to grow. Any offense will be count.
And what day immune system when Yankopon, and you're ready for Yadmusa Moya Hubano, and Nasa Wunum Imbusaba Mesa, a Peja immune system Nabribia. Ya Yarientimu. Sasa dear, a man for the one, the Imbusaba Mesa, don't want dance yes say, and Yarua who run Nipa and Nina Etimi Banaso, and in Yarua Cassian Kaya Wutini D and a whole car. No, you want suing, you know, a boy who buying every home. And now I'm pa, one Yarwana Dada, no monum doctor and Rono, and no Imbusaba Mesanoa, and Mama who are deep in tea. Ya womuntim pose, Yaria Esiomo, Imbusaba Mesa, a walk Kaisi, and you may move Bia Yato in row, at to form friend 0246 20 84 96. FDA, Ashisha said, Jody and Cratway, my dear to Musay.
Yes. Oh, I say, you're not putting them out for a bank. Oh, yeah, I'm true. Mukono. Mukono. Go slow. The maze is cement.
action for pizza in the meji. Yeah, I am chinner how me a funny no more bomu baby sure yam no kuno kulogole. Hey, Jaisu WMP capsule. Anye, Jaisu WMP capsule. Yeah, it is here Kobeya. We am bathroom Merija Wunanum Papa Brown Sana Waba. So I constipation I am chira. For Jaisu WMP capsules. No, but we am so way. Hey, you Fibiaro. I am chira. What to host is so much you from a one hole. As a for Jaisu WMP capsules. No, we am Rebogo. Yafana Macha. On time upon a we am go fine. Bibiara son. San Jaisu Yabaklik away Jaisu WMP capsule. I can do a friend. 0244 529398. Jaisu WMP capsules. I'll go him.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Charlie, with Betboro Ghana, everything not double oh. Betboro Ghana is giving all our new customers we sign up 100% cash back in free bets up to 400 CDs. This means whether you spend 1 CD or 100 CDs in bets, we give you that same amount back to make more bets and increase your chances of winning big. So visit our website, betboro.com.gh. Sign up and enjoy this amazing offer today. Betboro Ghana, be a player, not a viewer. Please gamble responsibly for over 18s and above only.
Umami nyapanua ofumegiano no. Unya bema no ade bia ogina phone so no.
Hello, I'm Rose here.
Wo fase no ochiri bibia.
Da bi o mempe, we dey mechu.
Watamfo no a, wo ni no adwuma mu a, de bia ono no mu Coca-Cola twato. Yeni na yeni mobisa, nenso omuni wa na eduane di asesa. En Kenya braye kabom edi Coca-Cola eji yeni. FDAG edwade nkrato yato.
Hello, Ache. Hey, one miss papa. Some catcher. Me catcher see a betcha George. Giorgio, quite ya, chino, Filica dochi.
Hey, wait, you boy, a den you see.
And see, now one name Mrs. Clear.
Amma, hello, Amma, hello.
Se wo stories are asresem or do any drama wo mu dia hwe Bank Chronicles Roger channel 118 if you say stories no ya dia wo Go TV so kwaji Go TV decoder tia 109 Ghana cedis nanya ekukudama what drama telenovelas and sports mu connectify my Go TV app so ana accredited dealer bia ben emu and she say kakra Go TV love it.
Do you want that special rice? Special rice. Do you want that special rice? Food love is special rice. If what you're looking for is quality, delicious rice to satisfy the family, Food Lovers Rice can give you all you need. Food Lovers Rice can give you all you need. Oh yeah, make all your dishes special.
Food Lovers Rice is long grain, has the perfect perfume, and is great for jollof and all your favorite rice dishes. Food Lovers Special Fragrant Rice. Sisamu Nafili. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Hello, Ache. Hey, one miss papa. Some catcher. Me catcher see a betcha George. Giorgio, quite ya, chino, Filica dochi.
Hey, wait, you boy, a den you see.
And see, now one name Mrs. Clear.
Amma, hello, Amma, hello.
Se wo stories are asresem or do any drama wo mu dia hwe Bank Chronicles Roger channel 118 if you say stories no ya dia wo Go TV so kwaji Go TV decoder tia 109 Ghana cedis nanya ekukudama what drama telenovelas and sports mu connectify my Go TV app so ana accredited dealer bia ben emu and she say kakra Go TV love it.
Hey, me network mafia me. I was sending mobile money. See me with our workers car. Charges some 380 cedis. We send this can kwa charges no. Wait there cement 10 bags so. Me ati. So we be move work of Vodafone cash and ka we be service ka bebre. Vodafone cash. I say me network need there. Tie. We send this ka was our network no so no. Yet we send this ka free with network no so akwa network for no. And no so yet na mum tie asem de pa. We send this ka with Vodafone cash
swa e free o send this free Vodafone cash I got network bia swa and so you free masa inti wa catch me what so you then was sour network no so move bra Vodafone cash say hey masa you chip not to ball am sisi I know say there o send this Vodafone cash so I got network bia swa e free send this do bia and prend do bia con network bia so free dial star 110 hash say in send this
This is Adom FM, and this is Jerry Justice.
Ofie Kwanso.
Jerry Justice on Adom FM
106.3.
Ofie Kwanso with me and Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM.
And we're back. Check the time now. Just about 21 more minutes till the top of the hour, 6. And by 6, we'll be out of here. Now the news, no, atwaso amam. What I say? Right now, there, we may mana kwaba near dinko ma kra near there. We know your vibe. Oh, your vibe. Yes, near there. Nana kwaba
okumi josminia
se bibia hye de
Adom
yes
ya feel kakra
yeah you kakra bi ni ade bia we kura share dance and we mu ebe
so
Africans hey do you know the number of days I still have I met me there could leave I would know what time when which can next year now this year you all guys and sign now
I had one could leave she good to this oko
oda jam no nyo no yen to atwa we jo mani nyo no yen to atwa uti wa be wan say away
na so kwa de na bibia da yi
o de fie de say na we person me test waters no say me bo fie wa ya say na be kwa tuwe na tuwe de me test waters no be proper kwa
na ba say na Ofie adwuma no
oh me say dey na road ba stress baby na me nyam ho dwodwo me ho ase me fi say dey
Charlie ai mabina ono so na yire
Charlie this issue of Masoya Nopa and you know thinking of what I am coming to do today, day, someone back out the obey those things. Actually, the production you do. And what you buy and that's a good job. And no crown and thank you that in your allowance was
because you crack the brain. Because I maybe a crack it.
I say Kenya allowance was idea no cry.
Maybe I did talent.
Easy.
You are crying Nissan Kit.
So bende.
Man been an yere. And Obusa David Niri Busan say na okoi no ko itiri. No Busan say na me ko me ba den na me tombro so obana onya Italian girl bi ara de na be. Obi a o yiri tu kwa ya. Onu Busa so mbro de so obana onya Italian girl bi ara de na ba.
Asebe grady.
Well. Na e chire de bia ni ha.
Good.
COVID na say adwinpin. Who say no problem no say on say ye di ka wo pane na baako. Was a kwaji second dose. But assistance now, no, you name that pan and baby more.
And yeah, but this month, am I? Because this month, I am second one.
I no crowd, name the one about baby, a free banogram say, a hokrano or madakra. It's you India for a Paniano be credit. Yes. And they say, and on a topic among for us. Na yare yi kura mpa info no sese ya because ore kwaku be ka no kura se na se utie uhewie mu a yare no mu se makoda ase bibia ye din ye nka
I say attention na e de man no ni obiem
opanyin so nka se bie
fellow Ghanaians no
oh ndi ye ntiase
what na dream bisa ya
ti pania no sa no ya edi ka boy no ti se second way no ya nwa eno no so emfa so bia man no so I question na you
because I say me taking me there on the 20 something.
Yeah,
Some me dear no. President no one them say na de chin na me wo me dear. Some me.
When I'm thinking 3 days later or 4 days.
Asa na ko yeah. Me warning time ti esenka. Mani mi yo.
I'm say okra so wadwen kra ni ho.
You see that?
Nti
omunya de omo ye no. Omunya.
Ti yare na nkasa de nyame na de ni mo mu nua.
Ono na eboy ho bai kakra.
Enti na give us for ye na ma de bia ye ka say say no ye nim de yakọ. Nti ye nyina ye nkọ so ane mo ho ba. Nti na kwasi buru ni say prevention is always better. Ahobambo ne de ehia pa. Say otwan ma yade no ba e ka obebo no. E sen say nka obe prevent. Because problem no ba na pese wo solve a eya na no bre ogbo ho ka too much. But there obe be prevent problem no de eya na sika kakra bi. Give us focus so a ye boda wuro say COVID yade no say ye nim de mpanyfo ka ye twen ma mpanyfo abekasa fellow Ghanaians ye nim de abekasa ye twen but assistance now no de yade no de ewo ho enkoye etimo aye mo say yade no ko yare no ko no yade no wo ho enkoye ba ade a eboa Ghana for sisi a ne se kwaku omo num give us about mission nyina no omo strengthen omo immune system no eti ama virus no kora COVID nim kora ntimi nkofa COVID-19 ba secret no ye na ma ye kwa ebe menua nose mask yetimi yi sometimes cry woni na ho so be na don sa ahye ohunim ana don sa ahye waso ayade bia say woni na wa ye eti manje say virus wo won sa abako ana msa busa me ho say na ye sanitize ye sa no ye boto no ne yina no ye sanitize no eti e bia wadu fie na ofi say obi yi ade
obutum no
eti eno so be da hunti na nyame na
ne he
enti na ye say num give us about mesha no onum give us about mesha na immune system ne strong wa eno no wunya coronavirus no kra na COVID ne de emparo I say HIV AIDS obi wo ha wanya HIV mo ano ba AIDS na ye yare ne de lalai antimi ama because immune system ne ye solid sana e mo no ntumi survive nti e basa no mbewu enti yade na mo no de ba no wunya bi afa e kwaso aka Ghana fo nyina say give us about mesha no wonum na wunya COVID-19 no bia fa hospital bill no bra ye betu aka ebiem onum give us about mesha na wunya malaria na se malaria ekumu ana odihye bi se onum give us about mesha na malaria no kum na de ye kan se obetum kura siwen ana se Yankopon nankasa no oni give us fondi de ama ye dia bre ne se ye nim de nan si so on se ewiase de se wonim de wo a sometimes no mabu okra na ye yare osre ye konwura mu no ye nim nnua ye tete so haban a ene ye de aba give us ba mesha se wonom obi wo ha okokwa ye mu a eno ne se wakokwa ye wonua bi wo ha won before betia haban was say enua ni nyina living things omo te say nipa ntia te say nka kwakutu yi me ba no abefa o phone without permission I'm sure say nya de
adwuma sa
enti sa na dua esimura mu no o betia haban na e wo say osra kwan na eno no eye spiritual nti no nya obi anenim ye duru ho a ebi wo ho a ye bompaye ye won nsem a yeka ebi wo ha ye woro ye mpaboa ebi wo ha ye kata yani ebi wo ye ntena wia ebi wo chese dua bia na amamra ye wo ho tubo hu se dua no ye be kiro se dua we eye malaria duro ba ba kwakoti na de baba be yaduro nipa no be no malaria no nko ba unua bi bete de be yaduro yare no be ko onti ase eye timing no time de ti ahaban no nti give us about mesha no ne tintini tietie nyina ne se obi ampe bi na onom ensem a ye kan se wonom na anye sa ma wa me ankasa ahwemanim wo am wo Facebook no wo hia me abetimi kura ma police for achi me aduro no ya ma udi wan dan se kura se unhu de onka biem mesrew o yare o nom anya num dwa enka ye mfa ye nimu meje me ne give us for 90 ye eburu yes mintimi nkan enso so still ye no mo nenam aduro no ya dan se no drosso afa emema na amaye kodwo to no bema de ade ya pa wo wiase ne se wa bo ba ho kapa na wa mini oba no na sister na ba na match no so de o mini ne kese pa na untimi nya hwe no se bia se o se hey challenge
and I am mususu mini e
and then say no se o hwe ka wa bona oh and I say match ni wa eno intensi ti da be be sa no now do last in na guso to bet me last ana ni da we ti no odi agrope oni me guase
ena na anu adana abranti bi match no so de o kan ya je de atami acha anani abre ho anti we no dim ze wa mini pa ti ya ti hano oba na kasa no se abranti we towards me. I mean, so me, but giddy really part the bag to the towards in Boko.
Because I don't know where that sorry. Tea and Boko. Now I'm in be more. Who's I don't know. I say, can my be dear dance here? A bit more said almost from no. I said, yeah, or no be the dinner. I'll be an 1 year in Tamani Panabedia. I did one. But press, I don't know. Oh, tea, yes, Remo, a member. I don't know more dear. Oh, Tiana, home say Bohoka, and I a Bohoka. That's so bad a day, and my yard be this cracker. Bema do ya. Oh, mamma, no, dear, man for money with you. A normal, and yes, cheap. Sanning a ball, we are to say, young one, my and fin padiano. But I said, night, and I say, oh, boy, background, I said, I saw who said, be out your John. Yeah, John's how I am 1 year bomb. To give us speed, no, Mr. Pipinum, or Bema dear. Men si sium ansana waham sa kasa kwana na se sa kasa bebo nipa bebrenti ase men twen se oba no frɛ se me ba fie ansana wakɔ no aphrodisias eno no by mistake oba no frɛ so traffic nintim masa twa yutem kofi a wo hwe obesin se ho no wu
se na no ade wo de picture bi I am the best send o se na chairman so ehwe gen anim kwan ase oba ne ade ati and then Capu, why we near man and the actor say a teeny, yeah, oh, they train. Tivaya, yeah, oh, manner, or so traffic. And as Chama, so you jump on now, would you do now? Will be a donation, say,
oh, banner,
so we're doing now. I said, anyway, yeah.
No, got pressure na de nam no so.
Ano den
ti e be sere mo no aphrodisias de fam man de. Enye o se wo abeti o se abrantie no o endro ye ne na wo koda wan sore anadwo no dada mo oni madura wonom yo. Ebia lady bi so bebanti wa kono maduro no twen no lady na manti oda wo nyina wasensen na wo. Yesere mo ye de kasa na bawie me ne kwakuhia na me pese me kasa bebi. Aduro no de ebeje wa ya atremanye kasa dodo no yese kasa dodo entoponko. What you say nti be srew men nom sa China ndo no mfa nkofa oba biem nyesa wo be sell life kope give us speak capsules ani ko won say sa duro na nkasa no na say kra bi si nipa no ejina so sama omo ye bia na I say ade no enkofom because baby say ko wura no enya ho nwura ye eti ewi achi na say doctors no etitintini no to mo titintini no na be ma no joye na nye ye biem nti e be sre mo eye give us piniko e man memadro nombi na emwa je number na yen sorry na kwakumfa yenwie me bacho number na ye 0543 222 2 and a 470 0543 222 470 0543 322 near miensa and a 470. Tiko kuma minja kakra ya ka infama.
Good.
Na fa prapra kwa mo asana sorry.
Good. So. Nana that's it. All right, so Nana Romeo na yetene kano Bishop General on Twitter and so say a happy birthday in advance to Pastor Masford Isaac Affle. Nyame aduma ochina ena eye ne birthday. Okay. And then Joel Mensah, I see your tweet, yeah? Ghana for this audio man which ya. Omo abe prepare wa if you do no more as I movie bio. Jam. And quickly yamfa feel like entrim sisia to nafi yen so. Na yenko ebe ndey. Mami boat asnase. I'm boat. We have a call. Obey, oh, Mom, better 2 minutes been a call.
But that Rajery in the no or a holder, say it will be a entertainment, and the no on ye a da, yes,
oh, me round way.
Oh, the man. Album is a Morocco papa, because
maybe very cool. I'm just normal.
It's wanted to carport.
It's a lesson to all of us, you know.
What to Funa Santa and turn to Chrome.
Yeah.
In their call. na ya na mosma ewi no ba no ya no ya yo
they are to no ebetimi ato obia ebetimi ato obia we just need to be careful that's all
na mo bom penye den ye nyina ye bosuo ma de tira making
yeah
ye bosuo di freedom experience ya okodi na ya raba na brenti ba na si fie kwase ni bu pen krana as all time as by as papa and for what time you think Jim social media the lifestyle no brother minyi be mo fi beg na minyi be moroko but na brother with them means ya shada ye time them inti me hu latest me hu asa me ko obi na obi nti ma yare kana ase e kwapin polo nda no na court wa shade won fa no nkonkotum a orokwa koda abanu kukom for 90 days o Sunday was not the jail or the channel ba twa for yin to social media da yenje na yenhwe inti Red Rock Stone wesu
I've seen some other guys and they almost share tears near the somewhere. The amount for omo bibi and yes when they ground to me cause and yet deliberate. I mean she knew what she was doing and no yeah. But you see and Crawford I near over the years. Nah you can say they were ignorant of what they were doing or something. And the whole consequence nearby no me. So must we go and cry for all of them or beg for me? This issue I don't want to see. And people are saying say, and now all corner why na and they are insulting authorities. Look, do you know that thousands of people, female mothers, let me put it that way, mothers are almost minor offenses be and almost committee almost people to even go with them. Yes, we won't pay in chat so when your lawyer put to fight for her and she's serving a term. I don't know, so maybe our ma, maybe a bed 3, 4, 5 children. On the Ghana phone suma such people go to hear me. I visit the prison a lot. I am part of the prisons committee of the Church of Pentecost. So most of the prisons here in Ghana, now sometimes utieti and some Libya and Kenya say Ghana for 2 grabbing polo de ukoti obia somewhere nunti or prison oba. I've been to the female prison. Let me. That's why I said this thing. I don't want to talk about it. Let me just stop. It may share social media. The way people are reacting, and people that I expect they should even know better. Yeah, to Kromo, we've been crying. So systems are weak. This. My cousin way and Rao say. If enya for Ghana for Korea or nothing tia no the gu abai so kan no one would have picked this matter to the court. Child one international for way and gender ministry way and women one activists for way. The girl is going too much and now they pick the thing up. I feel that the same people are doing hashtag free Polo and the same people are crying because of their me. I am not happy that she's going to the prison. For what? What would I gain? Man or punishment be say, be a stay off social media for a year or 2 and now crown the proper community more and be crying many badges. I was hoping for such a punishment and unfortunately I quit prison there. Why must we Ghana for home? We don't know what we want. Honestly, Ghanaians, we don't know what we want. And people are crying, saying tears. It is too much in this country.
I am your Sunday. Young correctional sentence. No. One shut down, correct some coffee. A bush, one more covenant. What about no one life? Why more miserable than? First, no most know what chance I work.
Celebrities are no more casa against this girl now. They almost make it quick U-turn and they are all doing and now one a free one and they are crying after the sentence. Look at what the way they are behaving. I watch them and I'm like, hey, really? Growing Ghana for. Your fancy na kasa obedi Ghana for chia. All right. I wish I fancy whatever it is. Life goes on. I mean, you can get people who go against you and say, hey, and now they're young, but Charlie, So we should go on. And it's a lesson to all of us. It can happen to any one of us. We all need to be careful. That's it. Yada Vodafone has someone there, yeah. Fella Bray. There's an energy inside us all that makes art and music, that pushes science, that overcomes obstacles, that cures diseases, that overcomes prejudice. This is the energy that gives us the strength to ask important questions from humankind, the planet, and our society, so we can discover what is best. When this force is combined with technology, then man and technology together can achieve anything and create a better future for all. Technology is nothing without humanity. Together with technology, we can do anything. Log on to www.vodafone.com/together we can. Vodafone, together we can. Greetings going out to Adra Rasta. Oh man, that's saying. Aya yanka sawai. Shouts going out to Bertha, Nogbezi, and the family. Enjoying the show. His name is James Nana Edu Kwejo Yabua, the CEO of Jackie James Media. Want to wish him long life and prosperity. The love is deep. A happy birthday to you from Pinky Lady. Miss Sweetie Jolly, my one and only. I see you, baby.